I did not understand.
All right, he can be excused.
Okay.
Thank you.
Don't insult me.
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel. Let's get into the so you don't have to. What happens when the defense reaches an impasse? Well, you get an insane court clip, and Boyd, oh Boyd, that is exactly what we get today as the Queen of Bexar County is called out.
All right, pause right here, because this is where courtroom tension quietly starts boiling. What you're seeing isn't just sass or attitude, it's a judge asserting control early. When defendants interrupt, talk over counsel, or refuse to engage productively, judges clock that immediately. And trust me, first impressions in court, they stick. Question for you, is this frustration or the beginning of something much bigger?
And a possible graduate.
Mr. Moore? Mr. Moore?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's not shout at people. Let's not raise our voices. Here's the thing. If an attorney is telling you what the state is offering, all you have to do, if you don't want to accept the offer, just say you don't want to accept it, say you want a jury trial, and you'll get a jury trial. But your attorney can't make the state offer you something that you want them to offer you.
It's not what, no. So it's not what they offer. It's what you're lying on and trying to give me. And I know what I did. It was an argument.
Okay, so here's
the argument. It was an argument.
That means you need a jury trial. That's what you're saying. You want a jury trial.
It was an argument between me and my relatives.
All right, let me ask you, who's the prosecutor on this case?
On extra names onto the case. She added extra names on the, wait a minute. You're talking to me. You're talking to me.
Yeah. Are you the prosecutor on the case?
You're talking to me. You said John, you just said John Moore,
Are you planning on dismissing these charges? All right, so it sounds like they're going to want a jury trial. Are you planning on offering something different than you've already offered? All right, so is your client going to accept anything or no?
He has just informed me, we talked last night, but he informed me this morning because of some of the particulars, he's not going to accept the agreement.
All right, so nothing will, it sounds as though you all are at an impasse. The state, you're saying that you're not going to offer anything differently. And defense, I'm assuming there's no counter offer, right?
No, at this I did. I made a counter offer to the state and they rejected it.
All right, so do you have all of the discovery?
I do have all of the discovery. If I could, the one thing with moving forward, and it started last night with.
And boom, we've hit what the court calls an impasse. In plain English, negotiations are dead. The prosecution isn't budging, the defense isn't accepting, and that leaves only one road forward, a jury trial. But here's the kicker. Defendants don't get to demand better deals. Offers are discretionary. Once talks stall like this, judges shift from negotiator to traffic cop. Viewer check. Would you roll the dice with 12 strangers deciding your fate?
I would not respond.
Okay.
For one, don't insult me.
Whoa, this is a massive moment. When a defense attorney raises competency concerns, everything stops. This isn't about intelligence. It's about whether the defendant can understand the case and assist in their defense. Courts take this very seriously. If someone isn't competent, the case can't legally move forward, period. And notice this, the judge doesn't argue, she listens. That's procedural precision in action.
I would have to file a motion at this stage on the competency issue, Your Honor.
I would have no objection to that because I've had those concerns myself since I reviewed this case.
All right.
Well, and it's for me, I hadn't seen it yet, but I saw it last night for the first time.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, they're going to file a motion to have him evaluated for competency. And I will say this is the first time I've seen him be this way since he's come to court. So
Same with me.
all right, so what we'll do, Norma, if you can set this for the second week in December, and that's to make sure that everything has been filed.
Yes, I can do December 11th.
I will follow it this afternoon, and the second week of December is perfect for me. I live to snow ski, and I'm going to open it this year, the first week of December.
Okay.
So thank you, Your Honor, for that.
You're welcome. I'm always excited when I remember people and know their name because they're doing so well. So I already know the answer, but I'm going to ask anyway. How are things going?
Well, you foresaw correctly, Judge. She's doing quite excellent in the program. I attended the docket where she had her last court setting with Judge Von Hell, and nothing but positive marks. She's completed everything, and she's made all her appointments, and she's completely compliant with medication and the like, Judge. So just waiting for graduation in December for her to repass this.
And just like that, the tone shifts completely from chaos to calm, from confrontation to compassion. This is why courtroom footage is so powerful. The system isn't just punitive, it's rehabilitative when the conditions are right. One defendant spirals under pressure, another thrives with structure and support. Final thought: same courtroom, same judge, two radically different outcomes. That contrast, that's the story.
We'll set it for the 20th, even though I know we're not going to need that setting. Okay? So, once you graduate, you can ignore the December 20th setting. Oh, because 20th is a Saturday. So I already know you're going to do great. But I tell you what, because graduation is at 9 a.m., we'll put this on the 19th in the afternoon, although I know you're not going to need to be here, okay?
Okay.
That's just so you'll have a date and there'll be a date in the system. Right. So Norma, if you can recall her back for the 19th, and let's put it at 2
o'clock.
Yes. And you won't need to be here.
Okay.
But I will be at your graduation.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. Thank you, Judge.
I sound like Outcast. I will be at your graduation. All right. So we'll see you then. And thank you for being on time.
Thank you.
And thank you so much. And I'm so proud of you for doing all of the hard work, because I know it takes a lot to be vulnerable, accept the help, because there's such stigma that is attached to certain things. And I always say there should not be a stigma, because it's similar to if I had a broken arm. Okay. Nobody's going to say, oh my gosh,
Yeah.
such bad for you. So I'm proud of you. Okay.
Appreciate.
You're welcome. So once you sign the reset form, you're excused. What do you have planned for the rest of the day?
Okay. I'm gonna pick up a shift for work today. I don't really have any plans today, so my manager just called me. He's like, I can work.
So what time are they asking you to come work if you want to come work?
They said around 3.
Oh, well, enjoy the river walk then.
I'm glad we got her out early so she can enjoy the nice day and get to work and
Yes.
be productive. Yeah.
And also look into schools. I'm gonna be planning to go to school next year.
What do you want to study?
I was thinking cosmetology, permanent makeup, tattooing with makeup.
Oh, that is awesome.
Yeah, you can tattoo scars and stretch marks, and I think that'd be something.
That'll be great. Great. And I know there's some too for people who have who've had breast augmentation.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah. And they're always looking for people to do that.
Also, maybe tattoo removal judge, so she can get into that and help people. So they're looking for employment, Yep.
Be fun. Anything along those lines.
Yeah.
I'm really looking into.
Well, let me know, because sometimes I know people